Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are fine and safe. Welcome back to Computer Online class. At first, I will explain once again all the total lesson. Afterwards, we will discuss about the question and answers. Okay, now children, open your textbooks. Open your computer textbooks. Page number at first 3. Page number 3. Once again, I am repeating. See, Nana. Monitor is, see Nana here, a computer is a machine. A computer is a, first of all, it is a machine. It has mainly 4 parts. What are the 4 parts here? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. These are the 4 main parts. Now we are going to once again recall all the 4 things. Monitor, first of all, monitor. See here, a monitor look like a TV screen. How it look like? It look like a TV screen. It shows number, letters and words. It shows numbers, letters and words. Monitor are mainly 2 types. Monitors are 2 type monitors are there. What are the 2 type of monitors? CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT monitor and the next one is the LCD monitor, and again CPU. CPU means what? What is the CPU stands for? Central Processing Unit. See Nana here. This is the total. This is a CPU box. In the CPU box, CPU is there. Okay, CPU is placed inside the CPU box. Inside the CPU box, CPU is there. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for which one? Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. It can remember many things. CPU can remember many things. CPU can remember many things. And now coming to the keyboard. Keyboard is used for which one? Yes, typing. Keyboard is used for typing. Here keyboard has many special keys also there. Keyboard has alphabet keys to type the letters. First of all, keyboard has alphabet keys to type letters. Keyboard has number keys to type numbers. To type numbers, it has a number keys. To type letters, it has a alphabet keys. There are some special keys are there. What are there? Enter key, space bar key, arrow keys, function keys. This is the some special keys. Symbol keys also. This one. Okay, now next coming to the mouse. Mouse has 2 buttons. First one is the left button and the second one is the right button. Left button and the right button. And the scroll wheel which can act as the 3rd button. Here is the scroll wheel which can act as a 3rd button. Mouse is placed where it was placed on a mouse pad. Where it was placed on a mouse pad. It's time to write the classwork. Okay, now keep the heading. What is the date today? 19/7/2021. What is the date today? 19/7/2021. What is the day? Monday, right here. Monday. 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 Up to the last class, we finished the textbook. Today we are going to discuss about question and answers. Question and answers. Keep the heading, children. QUESTION. Question and answers. 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 Question and answers. What is the first question? See here, children. What is the computer? What? WHAT. What? IS is THE. The COMPUTER. Computer. What is the computer? What is the computer? What is the computer, children? Yes, computer is a machine. See here, a computer. 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 IS is a machine. 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 A computer is a machine. IT. It works. WORKS. Works on electricity. 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 A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. Again I am repeating. See children, what is the computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. After completing the answer, leave the line and start the second question. Children must and should write with pencil only. Okay Nana? Must and should write with pencil. And leave one line and next start from the second question. What is the second question here? What are the four main parts of a computer? What are the four main parts of a computer, children? Do you know that? Yeah, very good. What? W-H-A-T. What? A-R-E-R-T-H-E. The four main. W-M-A-I-N. Main parts. P-A-R-T-S. Parts of a computer. A computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. What are the four main parts of a computer? Names of the four main parts are the THE, the names, N-A-M-E-S, names of the four main parts are, what are the four main parts? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Again repeat children. నేను చెప్తున్నా నాతో పాటే చెప్పాలి నాన్న. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Now see here. First one, monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Second one, keyboard, K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Next, third one, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. What is the third one here, children? Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. What is the fourth one here? The fourth one is CPU, C-P-U. The fourth one is CPU. Again, repeat children. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Okay, got it children? What are the four main parts of your computer? Very good. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Got it children? To the next question. Third question. Give a short notes about monitor. Give a short notes about monitor. G-I-V-E. Give a short, S-H-O-R-T, short note. Notes, N-O-T-E-S, notes about, A-B-O-U-T, about monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Give a short notes about monitor. See here Nana, a monitor looks like a TV screen. How it look like? It looks like a TV screen. See here. A monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor, looks, L-O-O-K-S, looks, like, L-I-K-E, like, a TV screen is C-R-E-E-N, screen, TV screen. Next one. It is also known as the face of a computer. It is also known as the face of a computer. See here children, IT, it, IS is, ALSO, also, known, KNOW, known, as, 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 the, 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 face, FACE, face of a computer, COMPUTER, computer. Again I am repeating. See here children, it is also known as the face of a computer. What is the question here? Give a short notes about monitor. Monitor గురించి ఏదైనా 2 sentences రాయాలి. షార్ట్ నోట్స్ అంటే దాని గురించి రాయాలి అని అర్థం నాన్న. ఓకేనా? అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏ మానిటర్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ టీవీ స్క్రీన్. హౌ ఇట్ లుక్ లైక్? మానిటర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందని చెప్పాను మీకు లెసన్లో చెప్పేటప్పుడు. అది మనకి ఒక టీవీ స్క్రీన్ లాగా ఇలా బాక్స్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది కదా. సో ఇట్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ టీవీ స్క్రీన్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ ద ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్. మనల్ని మానిటర్ని ఏమంటాం? ఇంకా ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్ అని కూడా అంటాము. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? గాట్ ఇట్ నానా? అగైన్ రిపీట్ హియర్. ఏ మానిటర్ లుక్స్ లైక్ ఏ టీవీ స్క్రీన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ ద ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్. హియర్ ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్. How many types of the monitors? How many types of monitors are there children? Yes, very good. 2. Again see the question here. H-O-W, how. M-A-N-Y, many. T-Y-P-E-S, types. O-F, of. T-H-E, the, Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. How many types of the monitor? How many types of monitors are there, Nana? Yes. See the answer here. Monitors are mainly of two types. Monitors are mainly of two types. What are the monitors? That one. The first one is CRT monitor. And the second one is LCD monitor. See the answer again. M-O-N-I-T-O-R-S. Monitors are A-R-E-R mainly M-A-I-N-L-Y mainly O-F of 2 T-W-O 2 T-Y-P-E-S types. Two types. The first one is CRT monitors. CRT monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R monitor. CRT monitor. And the second one is LCD monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R monitor. LCD monitor. See again the question and answer again. I am repeating the fourth question and answer, Nana. How many types of the monitors? How many types of monitors are there? See the answer. Monitors are mainly of two types. CRT monitor and LCD monitor. CRT monitor, LCD monitor. And coming to the fifth question. See here children, fifth question. What is the full form of CPU? What? W-H-A-T what? I-S is T-H-E the F-U-L-L full form F-O-R-M form of CPU. What is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. Again see here. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Come again the spelling. C-E-N-T-R-A-L. Central Processing. P-R-O-C-E-S-S-I-N-G. Processing Unit. U-N-I-T. Unit. Central Processing Unit. Again see here the fifth question and answer. What is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay children? Repeating the question and answers. See Nana. First question. What is the computer? What is the computer? A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. A computer is a machine. It works on electricity. And next second question. What are the four main parts of a computer? What are the names of the four main parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. And coming to the third question and answer. Give a short notes about monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It is also known as the face of a computer. Question. How many types of the monitor? How many types of the monitor? Monitors are mainly of two types. CRT monitor, LCD monitor. Monitors are mainly of two types. CRT monitor, LCD monitor. And coming to the fifth question and answer. What is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Okay children? Children, you have computer classwork now. In the classwork, write the question and answers. Okay? Okay children, must I should complete your work and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.